Hey everyone, Tony here. Hope you're doing well. Wednesday, August 29th, I have massive big news for you guys. Super bullish news. As you know, I like to look at facts and I'm going to show you the sources, but we got some major news. First, I did want to talk about the market. We've been paying a close attention to this because we're seeing the market getting pumped. Bitcoin over 7,000, broke a key resistance level around 6,800. So we have to be careful though, because this could be a bull trap. As I've been saying, let's give it time. Let it play out over this week. Let's see some data, some trends, not just jump the gun and say this is some sort of recovery or whatever, because right now it's actually hovering just over 7,000. So it could go back down below. Who knows? Along the ways, there's corrections, as you guys know, small pullbacks. And it looks like from a 24-hour volume perspective, it's in the 1% to 2% range, which is a good sign. It's not like 6%, 8%, right? So let's let it play out. Let's see what happens. Always look at data. Don't invest with your emotions. The big news, guys. Yahoo Finance has integrated crypto trading for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, meaning you can buy and sell these specific cryptos on Yahoo Finance. This is a major win for crypto because Yahoo is a search engine company, a media company, and even though they're not as relevant as Google, they've been around for a long time. People still use their finance sections, some of their content sections as a source of information. So obviously their finance section is, they show stocks, and obviously earlier this year they added cryptocurrencies. And as you can see here, Bitcoin, USD pair information, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, XLM, EOS, a whole bunch. They have it all here. Well, if you click through to, let's say, the Bitcoin, right? Let me zoom out a bit here. The Bitcoin trading chart, right? From this list, if you click it off, click from this list, you will see buy and sell. I hope you guys been holding on to your crypto. Guys, the stage is being set for the bull run, for the growth of this market. I hope you don't miss it. Why would I always ask this question because I try to get you guys to think about this. Why would Yahoo Finance do this? Because they know what's coming. They see the opportunity to make money. They see the big money lining up. All the news we've been talking about, they see it as well. And they move in different circles where they know things that are happening that may not be released to the public as yet. Guys, you can buy and sell crypto on Yahoo Finance and expect them to continue to add this, to continue to build this out, So obviously they have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. We can probably see XRP soon. Maybe Bitcoin Cash, XLM as well. I'm assuming that the top cryptos they have listed here. So as I mentioned, if you just simply click on the respective item here, you go to the chart, you can buy and sell. And now I haven't personally used this. I haven't signed up for anything yet. I'm going to do a trial run. I'll take a look and see what's going on here. But this is big. This is a massive exposure because Yahoo already has a customer base, a database of people that use Yahoo Finance, and the fact that they can come here and say, oh, I can get some Ethereum, some Bitcoin, I can buy, I can even sell. So I'm very interested in the sell part because it looks like it may allow you to do, sell it as far as USD. I'm not sure if other other fiat pairings. So I'll take a look at that and get back to you guys. This news just came out earlier today, a few hours ago. So let me just give you guys a quick rundown. Yahoo Finance has integrated the trading with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin on its platform. While statistics are available on the platform for digital currencies like Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, or EOS, they currently do not have the buy and sell options, obviously. The development has led some in the crypto community to say it is an important step forward in crypto adoption. This is big. This is a brand name company, right? A search engine. And if you think Yahoo's doing this, guess what Google might do? Think about it now. Google may offer this as well. Because if you go to Google and you type in, let's say, Apple stock, let's see here. Notice Google provides this information, right? They provide the stock information, the details, all of that. And you can follow this in Google setup. Guess what Google might add here? Buy or sell, right? They may do that for crypto. I'm just saying, who knows? But Google is not going to sit around twiddling their thumbs, letting Yahoo and some of these other folks bypass them, and they're not going to miss the boat, right? So guys, this is really massive, really, really massive. Like I said, I'm going to actually wait. It looks like in March, the Japanese arm of the internet giant Yahoo said it would open a cryptocurrency exchange in April 2019 or later. Yahoo Japan was going to buy 40% of BitArg Exchange Tokyo in April, and immediately dispatch executives to lay the foundation for exchange to launch later this year. So the Japanese arm of Yahoo is going to get a cryptocurrency exchange. Yahoo is going to allow you to buy and sell here, guys. Like I said, I'm going to check this out, and I'll get back to you guys on this, but this is big. This is massive. And you see these things that are in the works. We didn't know about this, but Yahoo's going to add buy and sell for the US version, right? We didn't know that. Just imagine how many other things are in play right now, in motion, are being developed for this market. And that's why you should keep holding. I keep telling you guys, I'm sharing facts with you. I'm not making this up. I'm showing you sources. I'm showing you Yahoo Finance's website. You guys can go take a look at this. In fact, you guys can go sign in and try this out. You don't have to wait for me, right? But I'm going to, make sure I test it out and give you guys some feedback. But this is a major win for the crypto adoption, major exposure. And like I said, who are the competitors of Yahoo? Google and Bing. And are they going to keep, letting Yahoo, are they going to let Yahoo just run with this? No. Trust me, they're probably working on their own thing. Now, another major news, Square, the payment app. If you guys have maybe gone to some small businesses or wherever, and they're using the Square app on their phone or on their iPad, well, they won a patent for cryptocurrency payment network, which means Bitcoin is going to be accepted. And obviously, if Bitcoin's accepted, they're going to look at accepting other cryptos. So let me give you guys some details here. Digital payments firm Square has won a patent for a payment network that allows merchants to accept payments in any currency, including Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. Square wins patent for crypto payment network document. I misread. Square wins patent for a crypto payment network. Public documents published on August 21st show the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office has approved Square's application to patent a system that allows merchants to accept cryptocurrencies alongside conventional payment methods and cash out their currency of choice. Guys, man, I don't think people realize what is happening here. Guys, like I said, you've maybe went to some business or some small business or something, and my own barber, right, that cuts my hair in Manhattan, in New York City, he uses the Square app. Now, if I wanted to pay him in crypto, I could do that. So this thing is being set for a takeoff, for a massive explosion. And I'm telling you guys, the next big bull run will be bigger than anything you've ever seen before, especially when you have corporate giants getting involved. We know the launch of Bakkt, Starbucks, parent company of the New York Stock Exchange, ICE, Microsoft involved. And like I said, when these major banks like Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley open up their crypto investment divisions and services, it's going to be nuts. This market's going to take off. These prices that you see right now, you won't see them again. You will not see them again. I believe by, say, like mid next year, or so, or even by spring next year, these prices won't be around. When that bull run starts, you're going to see higher highs, but also higher lows. Because remember now, the market, anytime you have a bull run, there's a correction. This happens in all markets. Now, in crypto, it's more volatile. It happens more frequently, but it happens in all markets. So keep that in mind, right? And you also have bear and bull markets. Markets move in cycles. Don't forget that. Guys, two massive adoption news here. Yahoo Finance, buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and I'm sure they're going to add for the other cryptos, including XRP and so forth. Square allows you to accept cryptocurrency payments. They won the patent, and they are big. Once again, They're an established company, already have businesses using their apps, guys. And they make it so easy for businesses to accept payments. This is going to be huge. Think about the small businesses and medium-sized businesses that can start accepting crypto right away. So easy because they already have the app. You already have the integration. Oh, you want to pay with Bitcoin? You want to pay with XRP? Great. Boom. Right there. All set up. Seamless. Done. Guys, it's happening. It's happening. Don't miss what's happening. Don't fall for the FUD from CNBC Fast Money. And they had the Wolf of Wall Street guy, Jordan Belfort, on there talking a whole bunch of FUD. See what's happening. They have an agenda. Bottom out the market as much as possible. And the big money is going to buy in. They're going to pump it up. And then CNBC Fast Money will then jump on that train because they scratch each other's backs, right? Wall Street and CNBC Fast Money, Fox Business. And they'll start talking about, oh my God, Bitcoin's the new revolution. XRP is going to be doing this. And Ethereum, and they're going to pump it back up. And you better be holding. You better be holding, because if you're not, and then you FOMO later and try to buy in at the high prices, I mean, you could, but you could have made a lot more money if you were holding, you know, buying the dips at the lows and then holding for that potential cash out at a higher price. Now, some other big news, and this is interesting. So this user, C3Nick, part of the XRP community, he caught this. The CEO of Binance tweeted today, I have a feeling this bull run will be a pretty significant one, but then he deleted the tweet after. I don't know why. Maybe he was thinking out loud, just tweeted, and then he said, you know what, I'm not going to have this I'm going to delete this because maybe he didn't want to have people hitting him up and saying, oh, there's a bull run happening. You know, he would be getting a ton of tweets, press, all kinds of stuff, because he's a very influential person. Obviously, the CEO of one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. But this is very interesting. These guys, like I said, move in different circles. They know what's coming. And I hope you guys see it too. Don't miss the boat, guys. If we weren't seeing these news items, right, and we were just looking at charts, then you can say, oh, whatever, Tony, you know, that's just speculation. You could make up anything. But I ain't making this up. This is cold, hard facts, guys. Yahoo, right? Square, guys, it's big. SWAPLAB.CC, which is a cryptocurrency exchange. Let me just confirm where they're based. Let's see here. They're based in London, England, so Great Britain. They tweeted today, Ripple XRP is now listed on SWAPLAB.CC cryptocurrency exchange. You can now exchange XRP with 50 plus cryptocurrencies. Visa and MasterCard purchases are coming in October. You guys see what's happening here? We are seeing expansion from exchanges. We're seeing new listings of and more cryptocurrencies. And along that note, Bittrex tweeted today, hey, we're rolling out more USD pairs. On September 5th, we're launching US dollar markets for Cardano, ADA, and ZCash. Eligible Bittrex accounts created before August are already enabled for USD trading. See what's happening here? They are all gearing up for the bull run. And my personal opinion, I could be wrong, because no one could predict the future. I believe a bull run's coming this fall. I believe in October a bull run will start, and it will be catapulted by the backed launch, because that's going to be so big. Corporate America, CNBC, Fast Money, all the news are going to pick up on it and hype it up. I believe the SEC will approve at least one Bitcoin ETF, even though the market doesn't need it per se. It will be a confidence booster for Wall Street and so forth, and they're going to get happy and all that, whatever, right? I believe that's going to play a role. I believe we're going to see some big news announcements like the Yahoo Finance as we start going into the fall, guys. And I believe the Ripple launch of XRapid with banks and brand name banks and so forth will be another catalyst. Now, another exchange, CoinField tweeted today. CoinField reveals the list of 8 new coins for new fiat currencies, a powerful matching engine, and reduced schedule for global expansion in when? September. Notice what's happening here. September, October, November. Why? Bull run's coming. I hope you guys put it together here. So ZRX, ZCash, Omisego, Basic attention token, Salt. Some of these I don't even know. I know Salt. I know Basic Attention Token. I know Omisego and ZCash. I don't know these other ones. So, but they have the fiat pairing. But everybody's gearing up for this bull run. Stage is being set. Pieces are and people are being positioned, and companies are being positioned, put into their place for the bull run. I hope you guys don't miss this. I hope you don't miss it. This is the opportunity of a lifetime. I missed the .com bubble. I wish I bought Google stock. I still kick myself to this day for not even buying, I don't know, 10 Google stock even, right? Or something, at least something, because it's worth so much now. I'm not missing the boat this time around. I've shown you guys my portfolio. I hold a variety of crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple XRP, XLM, Cardano, Sia Coin, but I'm most bullish, as I've stated before, on Ripple because it's a real company disrupting a $1 trillion industry. Its product, which leverages XRP, its crypto, will be used by banks for cross-border payments, transferring trillions of dollars. I don't see anything bigger than that. Correct me if I'm wrong, but the biggest institutions in the world transferring trillions of dollars globally, please tell me if there's another crypto doing something like that in the market. So even if you're not holding XRP, which is fine, it's your decision. I'm just sharing the facts with you. Just keep holding on because everything will get pumped. Now, we're still in the infancy stages, still in the speculation phase of the market. So you stand a chance of making good money, even if a coin doesn't have utility yet, right? You just look at Cardano, right? I believe that's going to go up, and that's why I'm holding it. But when we move to the maturity of the market, XRP will be number one. I'm telling you guys, XRP will be number one because it has the biggest utility out there, and it's going to be the volume that's going to be moved on the XRP ledger because of the transfer of trillions of dollars. It's going to be significant. It's going to be bigger than anything out there. And I believe it will be number one. And a lot of people are going to be upset. A lot of the Bitcoin maximalists are going to go nuts. And once again, I hold Bitcoin. I'm not against Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm not getting against anything. I'm just stating from my perspective, from a business, factual, logical, adoption, economics, a standpoint, what makes sense and what is projected to do well because of utility, because of the disruption of it's disrupting a $1 trillion industry. So I hope you guys understand my perspective. I'm not against anything. If you're holding Bitcoin and you don't like XRP, okay. No one's holding a gun to your head. I'm just stating the facts here. But I hold both because I'm looking to make money. I'm not here to fight a religious battle or start a religion around a coin. I'm just here to make money, and I see the most potential in XRP. So I've been buying the dips as much as I can. But you do your own research. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. So guys, what do you think about this news? Oh, massive, massive news. Yahoo Finance, Square. Oh man, this is big. Binance CEO tweeting but deleting. Interesting. Crypto exchanges expanding, listing new coins, fiat pairing, gearing up for the next big bull run. And it's happening. It's happening, but you got to have patience. Notice that these things don't happen overnight. We didn't know about the Yahoo Finance thing, but it came out of the blue. Guess how much more stuff is going to come out in the next few months, guys? A lot. Keep holding on. Like I said, if you're able to buy the dips, not financial advice, do your own research. But that's what I'm doing. Just letting you guys know. And like I said, all facts, not over speculating here. A little bit of speculation but we're basing it on a foundational facts, meaning that we see adoption, we see integration, we see expansion, we see big players, corporate America coming in, gearing up for this market. So we can, from that, we can inform a hypothesis, right? Or an idea that this is what is coming. So based on what we've seen historically with stocks and companies expanding and mergers and acquisitions and IPOs and all of that, we can take a guesstimate at this, right? So I hope you guys grasp that. Anyway, leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description. Please help share my channel with your friends and family so we can grow the community and keep people informed. Help people to be more informed as investors. Look at facts, not invest with emotions. Look at things logically and reasonably. So thank you guys for your support, and I'll talk to you all later.